A simple stop turned into a high-speed chase when a motorcyclist made a U-turn and took off, hitting 110 miles per hour. Even after pretending to surrender, he kept running until officers shut him down.
They're running about 33 right now. Hold on a second. Hey, let me see your hands. Get up. Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground.
I wasn't running.
No. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
I wasn't running.
Yeah, you were freaking running.
No, I was shooting you.
TBI.
I wasn't running. I was telling you I was pulling over.
Yeah, bullshit. Shut up. You got it.
I was stopping.
I bet you don't do that again. My name is Sergeant Briggs, by the way.
One precise maneuver sent him to the pavement, ending the pursuit. His excuse, he didn't want his bike towed. Now he's facing charges that cost way more than a tow fee.
Holster activated. Everyone's hands, now! Show me your hands!
Police had their guns drawn, a spike strip in place, and a felony stop underway. Everything was locked down. But in an instant, one suspect saw his chance, slid into the driver's seat, and floored it. Nearly hitting a pedestrian, he tore out of the parking lot, kicking off a wild pursuit through city streets.
Do not move. You understand me? Go ahead and walk back.
Driver, walk back towards me, okay? Walk back towards me. You come this side? Stay right there. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Keep walking.
Hey! He's running! Stop!
As soon as the suspect floored it, officers wasted no time, rushing back to their vehicles and launching into pursuit. With sirens blaring and lights flashing, they chased him through busy streets as he blew through red lights, desperate to escape.
Whoever's in car 17, take over. I can't catch up with this vehicle. We take it over. Steve, once more.
I got two cars behind me.
Onto the speed. I'm approaching, I'm sorry, 71 approaching Bagley. You want me to continue? 32.
Alright, he's going 71 north.
Negative 58.
Alright, good spike. Good park got him. We're getting on 71 north ramp right now. Speed's 80. I'm 1 mile out from West 150th. Moderate traffic. He's slowing down.
I see I'm right behind you. Sir, look for you.
He's crashing out right now.
His reckless getaway ended just as fast as it began. After ditching the car and making a last-ditch run on foot, officers took him down. With drugs found in his vehicle and outstanding warrants catching up to him, his high-speed gamble only bought him a one-way ticket to jail.
Cuffs out.
Exit the car with your hands up, Marcus.
Some people never learn, and this guy is a prime example. What started as a stolen SUV quickly turned into a high-speed chase, reckless maneuvers, and an ending you won't believe.
Sounds good. He's splitting lanes. He's going to cause a wreck here. .36, you take the pursuit since you're marked. Westbound Maytown, speeds of 80. 36, just go for a pit if you can. We're southbound case now.
Yeah.
Let me grapple him.
Fine grapple. Word. 5-3's calling in. We're just south of Midtown on case. Yeah.
See vehicle crash Midtown in case.
Correction, we're still rolling. That's a grapple.
Still rolling, applying the grapple.
50-foot bails, let the dog go. Hit.
Copy, curved in.
Marcus, show me your hands. You're gonna get bit.
Stealing a car, leading a chase, and chugging vodka at the finish line. Bold strategy, but not a smart one. Thurston County deputies made sure his joyride ended in handcuffs again. A speeding driver blew past police, then took off when they tried to pull him over, recklessly weaving through traffic in a stolen car.
9947 southbound North Country River. I apologize. It's just myself in 27. Radio eastbound Bagley. Speed 60. Madison Trestle.
Madison Trestle.
Please advise Middleburg. Looks like we're probably going to be going to try to pit.
As the chase intensified, the suspect suddenly slowed down, giving officers the perfect chance to end it. A precise pit maneuver sent the stolen car spinning, but instead of surrendering, he jumped out, ignoring commands and trying to fight his way free.
Successful.
We got a pit. Black male. Alright, we got him stopped here.
Let me see your hands. Get your hands up. Get on the ground. I can't fucking lose now. I can't die. Get him. I can't die. I'm not gonna roll over. Roll over. I can't die. Roll over. Roll over,
Stop reaching!
Anyone got cuffs?
Stop reaching! Stop reaching!
There we go. All right. Yeah, we got cuffs.
I think it's his.
What do you think I did?
After a pit maneuver ended the chase, he fought to resist arrest, clutching a bag of pills and thousands in cash. Officers soon learned he had just assaulted the car's owner, turning a traffic stop into a serious felony case.
Reverse lights.
Hey, radio standby.
You went left on Dodson? 2619 Dodson. 2619 Dodson.
Atlanta police tracked down a vehicle linked to an armed robbery, but the suspects had no plans to go quietly. The moment officers moved in, the driver hit the gas, kicking off a high-speed chase through the city.
Alright, we're going to be in front of the Georgia International Convention Center. Show on name. 16 alcohol. 16 alcohol. Show on name. 16 alcohol. 16 alcohol. 16 alcohol. 16 alcohol. What?
Look, stand by. Over felony, do not rush it. Over felony, do not rush it.
Do not rush it.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now!
Where you got him? Hey, get the out! Get the out!
How old are you?
His escape didn't last long. Officers quickly caught up, taking both suspects into custody. With armed robbery charges waiting, their attempt to flee only made things worse.
Day with 13 traffic.
When a simple traffic stop turns into a high-speed chase, you know things are about to get out of control. This driver wasn't just running, she was flying through stop signs, weaving through traffic, and pushing speeds over 100 miles per hour before her reckless escape came to a crashing halt.
Unconfirmed insurance and avoiding police presence. We have been on the interstate now. The tag is going to be Adam Nora Ida 40 Robert. We going northbound on I-30. Speeds are 99. No traffic. Shit. We took the JFK exit. Just around the red light. Oh, he wrecked out. Vanilla, come back here. Hey, back here, Vanilla. On me, Vanilla. You got a fire underneath your car, baby. Come on. Get up. There you go. Get it back. We're gonna get
Speeding, dodging semis, and blowing through red lights, it all ended with a wreck, a fire, and a trip to the hospital. Millbrooks racked up charges for felony fleeing, driving on a suspended license, and no proof of insurance. Her next stop? Court on March 6th, where she'll have to answer for this dangerous joyride. A slow-moving Dodge Challenger caught the attention of a trooper, but when the lights came on, the driver had other plans. Pushing past 125 miles per hour, he weaved through traffic, used the shoulder to pass, and refused to stop.
9 Adam, 0523, 1037. TBI 40 south into the K-ville.
After a failed sprint on foot and a struggle in the grass, Gordon was taken down. He's now facing felony, fleeing, unauthorized use of property, drug possession, and resisting arrest. His next race? Straight to the courtroom.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.